My name is Hilmar Linder. I'm head of the degree program. At MultiMediaTechnology, we believe that the future belongs to those who know how to combine creativity and technology. Our program prepares you exactly for that. Developing web applications, mobile apps, immersive games or AI-based solutions for a future world.
Hi, my name is Florian Hinderer and I'm a lecturer at this study program. We really want you to apply theoretical knowledge that you may gain from lectures and apply that to projects that you are going to be creating with other students in very diverse teams in iterative development cycles. In the bachelor degree, we really focus on the basics of everything. So that means that without any prerequisite knowledge, you can gain everything that you need in order to succeed in today's industry. The master degree program is much more focused on a deeper specialization. We're mimicking the real-world design of how projects are being created by also letting you work with designers, with artists and project managers in here. So if you're hungry for more technology, hungry for interactive experiences and methods and tools in order to create those, then this is the study program for you.
Hi, I'm Tony and I'm a student in the 4th semester here. I came to Salzburg because of its very individual and project-based education. We really have a very diverse community here with people who bring a lot of insight and expertise from different backgrounds into projects. And while there is a very steep learning curve in computer science, or in my case, game development, through this very tight-knit community of teachers and students, it creates this nice environment where learning hard things is suddenly very easy. And I can't forget how nice it is here. I mean, we're in the middle of nature, surrounded by mountains and only a short train ride away from the cultural center of the city. I haven't programmed before coming here, so it was really new to me. But by this very personal touch that all the professors have here, it's quite easy to learn programming from the bottom up. So I'd say, for me, Salzburg is not just a place to study, but a place to grow as a person.